Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to change Facebook name on iPhone. Write if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Here we go. Go to Facebook on your iPhone or iPad. Open the menu. In the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Media Account Center, then see More in Account Center. Open Profiles, select Facebook here. Then there is Avatar, Username and Name, click Name. Here we can change our first name, middle name, and last name. Once we have changed it, click Save here. And after that, our new name in Facebook, on our iPhone or iPad, we were able to change it with you. This is such a simple and easy way. Be sure to write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments, and I will answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.